Solve the compound inequality. Give the solution set in both interval and graph forms. Here we have a negative 4x is less than or equal to negative 24, or 4x minus 2 is less than 10. Let's go ahead and solve each of these inequalities for x to get a better look at things. So in this first one, divide both sides by negative 4. Remember, as you do that, to switch the direction of that inequality symbol. Negative 4x over negative 4 gives x. Negative 24 over negative 4 is a positive 6. With our second inequality, solving for x, let's begin that by adding 2 to both sides so that we have 4x is less than 12. Now divide both sides by a positive 4. No need to switch the direction of the inequality symbol here. Dividing the left side by 4 gives x. The right side by 4 gives 3. And remember that this is an or word separating these two. So our solution includes all values for x that satisfy x is greater than or equal to 6 or x is less than 3. Now, these two sets don't overlap. So let's describe them using interval notation as, starting with this one, all values that are less than 3, that's negative infinity, up to 3, not included. That or word, we can use a union to describe. Now our second group, all values that are greater than or equal to 6. We start with the 6 and a bracket showing inclusion up toward positive infinity. Lastly, let's go ahead and graph this solution as well. I want to locate the numbers 3 and 6 on this number line graph. Let's start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, values from negative infinity up to 3. We use the same notation, that is a parenthesis at 3, bold arrow and bracket to the left, describing our set from negative infinity to 3. With a union, that's an or word, 6 included in the direction of positive infinity.